हेलो आज कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ Anyway, welcome back to the YouTube channel MB Academy. Today we are heading towards basic English grammar. We are switching from physics to English on the persistence demand of the students. So there is a good news for you all that a series of lectures will be uploaded regarding basic English grammar, and that will be comprised of around 30 lectures. I'm quite sure that it will be very helpful and fruitful for all of you guys. So without wasting any more time, let us embark the class with basic English grammar. What does basic mean? Basic means fundamental. What does basic means? It means fundamental. What is English? It is just a language. And what about grammar? It is the name of rules and regulations. So what does basic English grammar mean? That we are going to learn the fundamental set of rules and regulations of English language. And today's class we are going to discuss these terms: English, grammar, alphabet, letter, and the difference between them. So basically English is just a language, but an international language which is spoken all over the world. How to define English? It is an international language which is spoken all over the world. And now coming towards grammar, that it is also called a key of any language. Key of any language. As I already told you that the set, or we can say that the rules and regulations, and along with that we can say that it is the key of any language. So if you learn the rules and regulation of anything, you will be the master and blaster of that particular thing. So here is the case with English. If you know the rules and regulation of English, there will be no problem regarding this. Coming towards alphabet. What is alphabet? It is defined as a set of letters arranged in a fixed order. Let me tell you that a set of letters is like that: A, B, C up to Z. Now this is called a set. When similar things get together, combined together, we call it a set. You might have heard about a dinner set, you might have heard about the set of the rest of the things as well, which are similar but different, or we can say that enormous in quantity. So A, B, C up to Z. It is a set of letters. It has also been arranged in a fixed order, like A is followed by B is followed by C and up to Z. This is called what? Alphabet. It is a set of letters. Now we are coming towards letter. Then what is letter? We can see that letter can be defined as any symbol, a symbol which represents a sound in a written form, or we can say that in its written form. So this is a set of letters. Now each symbol or each entity in this particular set is known as what? Letter. Most of the people, I've heard from them that there is no difference between them, but there is a little difference. We can't call it a similar terms because we can see a clear distinction between them, that the whole set is called what? Alphabet, but each entity or each symbol in this set of alphabet is known as what? Letter. So this is the difference between them as well. Now moving on towards the ways, or we can say that it's more explanation to explore it, that how many letters we have in this set. There are 26 letters in the set of alphabet, among which 5 of them are called vowels. Vowels are, we have A, E, I, O and U, while the rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. There is another term which we call it semi-vowel, but at this point of time I think we have to skip it because it will get you confused. As the time goes on, as the class goes on, we will discuss about semi-vowel as well, but for now you have to skip it. Now moving on towards ways to explore that, and how many ways we can write down alphabet. We can write it down in 2 ways. The first one is capital and another one is small. How we can write it down in capitals? You can see A, B, C up to Z. We can write it down in capital like this, while in small the same set should be written in this way: A, B, C, C up to Z. C, D up to Z. So this is all about basic English grammar, and the basic term, the very basics, we can just demonstrate and elaborate the purpose of alphabet as well, that why do we study alphabet. Like somebody can ask you that why we can study or we study alphabet. So the only purpose of alphabet is that it helps us in writing a language, or we can say that it is used for writing a language. So this is all about basic terms, and let me tell you that what we are going to discuss in this English class: tenses, parts of speech, voices, narrations, gerund, infinitive, sentence, types of sentence, kinds of sentence, class, types, conditional clauses, phrases, lots of terms to be discussed in this class. But you have to wait for that, and you have to follow the series of lectures. I think so it is enough for today, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.